Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch LG LED TV. In this TV the complained no power problem. While checking here we found that here the fault is with the motherboard. Here the motherboard is damaged due to lightning. So first here we planned to install the universal motherboard board in this TV. But after that here now we decided to install this alternate motherboard of same brand. So let's install this. See friends, for installing this alternate motherboard we need to modify the TV back cover. We need to cut down some portions of the back cover. So let's do the modification. See friends, while connecting this alternate motherboard now the TV is working fine. So here now the work is completed. So let's start modifying the TV back cover. See friends, finally here we done all modification. Now the TV started working back to normal. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.